In this video, I will try to tell you the benefits of opening SBI salary account if you are a government servant, or if you are not a government servant, then too if you are working in a private sector but you have handsome salary, you have more than 20,000 salary per month, or if less than, though it's okay, then you can open a salary account, and that salary account will have immense benefits that you don't know. What kinds of benefit you will get if you open salary account in State Bank of India, let me tell you through this video. So first, let's try to know what is salary package account. Salary package account, it is a special saving account offered to salaried customers which provide unique benefits and services, as well as seamless access to the most advanced and secure net banking and mobile banking services. So that is salary package account in a very brief word. Now, what kinds of benefit you will get? Benefits are amazing. Each salary package accounts, it offers unique benefits and services to the customers, and some of the benefits are as follows. Number one, zero balance account. That means you don't have to maintain any amount in your account. Okay, but in some cases, let's say in normal saving bank account in SBI, if you do not maintain a minimum balance, then you have to pay penalty. But here in SBI salary package account, you don't have to pay any money if you do not maintain any kind of balance, minimum balance. That's why it's a zero balance account. Second is no monthly average balance charges. There will be no monthly average balance charges. This is also a very magnificent benefit. Second, auto sweep facility. This is optional, but if you turn it on, it will have immense benefit for you. Then free debit card with exclusive benefits. You will get free debit card, ATM card. Then unlimited number of transactions across SBI and other banks ATMs in India. You don't have to pay any money for that also. You will have unlimited number of transactions across SBI. Okay, then waiver of issuance charges on demand draft, waiver of issuance charges of multi-city checks up to 25 checks, leaps per month, then waiver of online RTGS and NEFT charges. You don't have to pay any money on RTGS, NEFT on online. Then you will get complimentary personal and air accidental insurance cover, competitive interest rates on personal loans, car loans, and home loans, and you will get overdraft facility as per eligibility, concession on annual locker rental charges as per eligibility, then wealth relationship as per eligibility. Now let's try to know in more details. The question is, what are different types of salary account package that is being offered by SBI? If you are from central government, then you will get central government salary package called CGSP. If you are from state, then state government salary package SGSP. If you're from railway, then railway salary package RSP. If you're from defense, then defense salary package called DSP. If you are from central armed police salary central armed sector, then you will get central armed police salary package CAPSP. If you're from police, then police salary package PSP. If you're from Indian Coast Guard, then you will get Indian Coast Guard salary package. If you're from corporate sector, private sector, then you will get corporate salary package CSP, and at the last, startup salary package account. So these all things can be done in SBI if you belong to job sector. Now let's try to know other thing. How can I open a salary package account with SBI? Very simple. You can visit any nearest SBI branch. Okay, and after visiting the branch, you can talk with the branch manager or the employees. Then you can share your thoughts. They will do it in a one day. You don't have to worry. But you have to visit the branch once, at least once. Then what are the documents required? Documents very simple: passport size photograph, copy of PAN card, proof of identity and address, officially valid documents as prescribed by RBI, proof of employment, service certificate, I card like this, latest salary slip. This is also needed, latest salary slip. So next question is, if I already have an existing saving account with SBI, then can it be converted to salary account? Yes, it can be done with the submission of employment proof, salary slip, or service certificate. Next question is, how do I get my account transferred from one branch of State Bank to another bank? Very simple. If you have YONO, then you can go there, and then it can be done in a very few days. What happens to my existing salary package account if there are no salary credits to the account? So if these kinds of situation arise, then what you will do? So in case monthly salary is not credited into the account for more than 3 consecutive months, the special feature offered under salary package, it will stand withdrawn, and the account shall be treated as normal saving account without information, and all charges shall be levied and applied as applicable to normal saving accounts. Got it? So what is auto sweep facility? This is a facility to transfer your money to MOD, means fixed deposit account, from saving account to earn higher interest once your balance in the SB account, saving bank account, reaches the threshold balance of rest 35,000. And if the balance in the account is not sufficient to honor a check or ATM withdrawal, then the system automatically pre-closes the fixed deposit or part of it and credits the same to your SBI account. Okay. Then what are the features and benefits of overdraft facility in salary package account? So you will get many benefits like this. The features and benefits of the overdraft facility in salary package account for goal and above variance are: as per limit set for each variance, maximum up to 2 times net monthly salary, no processing fees, repayable in 6 months, freedom to use limit through checkbook, ATM, online transfer, interest payable only on the utilized amount, monthly salary, and other credits in the account help save interest. So there are many questions that can be answered if you check the official website of SBI. Okay. So the main thing, basic thing, fundamental things I have tried to tell you. I hope it will benefit you. Thank you so much.